fix you don't have any devices error on Google Play Store in PC or laptop, do you know that you can install different apps using Google Play Store on your Android devices using PC? So all you have to do is you have to log in on your Chrome browser with the same Google account on your PC and your Android device. Then you have to click on this six dots or the Google Apps icon at the top right corner of the screen. Then here select Google Play Store. Once you open the Google Play Store, you have to select the apps and you can select any application that you want to install on your Android phone using your PC. So let's click on Facebook Lite. So however, some user might get the error of this device or you don't have any devices error on Google Play Store. In today's video, I will be helping you to fix this issue. First thing first, make sure you have been signed in with the same Google account. So this error usually occurs if you have signed in to your Google Play Store website with different Google account which vary from the Android device Google Play Store's Google account. Then this issue might be resolved. The issue might occur when the Android does not meet the system requirements as well. So the second step is you have to come back to the home feed on this page and then let's go back. After that, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen of this Google Play Store. Then go to Library and Devices. And on this Library section, select the devices. So as you can see here, we have multiple devices signed in or connected on our Google Play Store's account. Simply you need to check mark those devices that you want to keep on this account. Otherwise, you need to uncheck mark the devices that you want to remove from this Google account. Then once you have done that, you need to go back and search for the app that you want to install. So let me search for Skype. And then you can easily refresh this feed as well. Once you refresh the feed of this page, then after that your issue might be fixed and there won't be any error that you previously get, like you don't have any devices error on Google Play Store in your PC. As we can see, this app is available for your device. It has been shown on this page as well. So this is how you can easily fix you don't have any devices error on Google Play Store in PC or laptop problem. I hope this video was helpful. If you are new to our channel, make sure to hit the like button, press the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.